Tell me what concerns you about the UK and the sort of society now.
Well, I think it's not safe to be on our streets. Look at the stabbings in Southport. Look at all these terrorist attacks that are happening. I'm not saying that the white people don't do it, but if they weren't here, there would have been a lot less crime, I think.
Do you think you're racist now?
No. I could turn around and say I'd rather house a veteran than a migrant, and then someone on Facebook go, you're a racist. Is that racist to say that?
Do people think that you're using this camp to spread
There is rumours out there that it's a far-right hub.
Is it?
But no, it's not a far-right hub, no. Well, not all veterans are centre. Some veterans can be lefty, some veterans can be right.
Muslim veterans?
Yeah.
Can they come?
We have coloured people come down here. My right-hand man is black.
I'm not sure
half-caste.
people would like to be called coloured or half-caste these days.
Why?
It's derogatory. People don't like to be called.
What does it? How?
Why use?
Black people call each other yeah, and.
Okay, don't say that word.
No, I'm just saying they do.
Okay.
They do.
But what I'm saying is, you don't need to use that language.
I don't use it.
But you just said.
If someone called me white, it wouldn't bother me.
Right, but that's because it's not a derogatory term. We don't need to use. You don't need to use derogatory terms.
I think they're just using that and putting it in place to cause a divide because that's what the government do.
Do you consider yourself an extremist?
No, and the reason why I say that is because I did the prevent course, and it all got dropped, and they classed me as not a threat and not far right and I wasn't extreme.